experience at Dr. Edge's?
I absolutely love it here, and I love Dr. Edge's. She is phenomenal. She's compassionate, she's knowledgeable, and everything here is just, it's relatively painless, quick and easy, and I am thrilled to be a patient here.
How was your hair journey then?
So my hair journey began during COVID. I had some stress loss shedding and started noticing some thinning of the hair. It upset me. It really just devastated me. And I found Dr. Edge's, and this journey's been amazing. I mean, she was like, "We're going to fix it. It's okay." And that gave me faith that I was going to be all right. I was going to have restoration of hair. I will say that you have to do what she says. So that is the first thing. Is like, follow this protocol. It's not a fast process, but it is a permanent solution to it. So everything that I've done, and again, follow the directions, do what she says. But I remember that first time that I saw like the real results. I think we were about 6 months in, and I saw before and like the current picture. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how much hair had like come back. And then I think when we hit like the year mark, I was like, I knew by then, I could feel it. But about that 9th month, 7 to 9 months into it, I could really see a difference. And by the time we got to the year mark, you wouldn't even know that I've had hair issues.
Okay, so that's part of your results with your PRP treatment?
Yes, absolutely. But there's when we started, there was different there's some medications that we started with that helped restore hair, and shampoo, different things like different treatments to kind of like just start the process of like calming the scalp. Like that was another thing too, is I had some issues with like my scalp would get inflamed, which was making it worse. Just from like stress or whatnot, seasonal. I think this happens to most people. So I was having these stress responses, and so it was making my hair situation worse. And but with the PRP, that was a game changer. That really, it made my hair flourish.
And would you recommend Dr. Echo to others?
Yes, absolutely. I've done that so many times, and I mean, anytime somebody comments on my hair, I was like, oh my gosh, your hair looks amazing. I know this amazing doctor, and so